Hi guys, Dan Barrett here, and today I want to talk about YouTube and how newbies can grow their YouTube channel. Now, it's only going to be a short video this, it's probably 5-10 minutes long, so stick with me, and if you do, you'll get a nice little freebie at the end. Now, I've not been on YouTube very long myself. I've only done a few videos. I've actually got about 6 videos that are public, and then the rest are unlisted. So really the channel is only of 6 videos, and I've got 78 followers, which isn't much, but considering the lack of effort that I've put in, I think my last video was 4 months ago. But what I want to show you is a great keyword tool, and the keyword tool is actually called MorningFame. And what makes this different from other keyword tools, it doesn't just tell you the keyword volume and how competitive the keyword is. It actually helps you to grow your channel and tells you exactly where you need to focus. Now, if we just do a quick scan through my videos, it actually gives you this legend of what to do in each area and what these symbols mean, what results for the results you get. Excuse me. Now, if you look at these early videos, these virtually, you've got a lot of grey ticks. There's no green ticks. But then as we've gone through and improved each one, and then you get more comments on how to improve things, and as you can see, the awards are growing. Now, it also provides you with a strategy, and depending on your channel, whether you're getting good watch time, engagement or subscribers, it will actually tell you what to focus on in order to get ultimately more subscribers. Now, in my case, it's telling me that I need to focus on getting more views and to create videos that will get me more views. Then it goes on to the growth opportunities and shows the videos that I've produced the best results, and advising me then to do more of these videos. And it also ranks the views, duration of watch time, etc. And then it also goes into the velocity. That's how fast your channel actually grows. And the workshop, which I'm not going to cover at this moment, is mainly the keyword tool I want to show you. So if we go into the keyword, this is the keyword tool area. Now, you can actually use the keywords from previous videos if you want to do another one from, on the same subject, or you can start afresh. So let's put a search term in, for example, not that one, of course, that's no good. I wanted to put how to create a sales page for free. Let's have a look. So if we put in that search term, we'll start off with how to create a sales page. Okay, and that's the first step. And in the first step, it will actually show you how these keywords are ranked. Now, on the common keywords, these are highly searched and highly competitive keywords, which are more suitable for the larger channels. And then you've got the uncommon keywords, which are more suitable for the smaller channels, like beginners like yourselves, like me and others, should I say. And then you can actually use keywords from the top ranking videos that for that particular keyword. But if you're a small channel, you don't want to do that. So let's say we stick with the main keyword, how to create a sales page. So you can click on that and then choose it for step 3. Okay, now it's got an X there, and what that's saying is that not many people, or there are no searches for that particular keyword, which that's debatable. But what we're actually looking for in these scores is to try and get an A for relevance, and then the minimum of a D for subscribers, views and likes. So with that being an E and an F, that's not good enough. So what we can do is we can go into suggestions, and that will give us a list of suggestions, and this one's highlighted with D's and E's, and what we're looking for is D or higher. Okay, so let's look at that one. We've got D, E and A, and what we're looking at here is it's got your channel compared to the average gateway channel compared to the highest rated channel for that search term, and that's for subscribers, views, likes and comments and relevance. Now if we scroll down this list of videos, this is the list of videos that are ranked for that phrase. If you get to here, this one that's highlighted, the gateway video, that's showing you that this particular video, it's only got 22 subscribers with 989 views. So that's showing you that my channel can compete with this particular video on the first page. And if you look at these searches, some of these channels, 11,000 subscribers, nearly 50,000 subscribers, 23,000 subscribers, 305,000 and 22,000. So you're actually in a list with some big players. So that is a good sign that you've got somebody there with very few subscribers that can rank for this keyword. So although that's not a D, what I decided to do then was to check Google for the same phrase. So if we go into Google for the same phrase and do that search, and these what's that, 3 billion results, and if you look down, you've got an ad, an ad, an ad, an ad, and then videos, and then you've got the answer boxes, and then you've got the websites. So you can see they're putting videos ahead of anything else for that particular search term. So there's a high chance that you can rank in the main Google search as well and be listed here and get traffic from here, as well as on YouTube itself. So if we scroll down in YouTube, I think that that video that was listed has gone because I've already viewed it. Once you've viewed a video, it will actually replace it with something else. So where are we? The gateway video, this particular gateway video, if they'd actually used a better image, a cover image, you know, that stands out, I would say that they would more than likely get more clicks and more views for that particular video. But anyway, this tool is absolutely awesome. So let's say we decide to go with that particular one. We want to use it. You choose step 4, and then it actually creates your listing, and we've got a relevance of F, and we actually need that to be an A if possible. So all we have to do is take this keyword, put it in the description, and then you can add more to your description than that, obviously. And then come down, and we also want to add the tags. So we add the main tag, and then we go for suggestions, and then we can add more tags that are similar. Okay, and as you see, as you're adding the tags, you can see the relevance is getting higher. Now we've got an A, so that'll do for me. So that's basically your video listing. Obviously you would want to complete your description with more details, but as long as you've got the keyword in there, you've got the tags in there, and then you can actually upload your own thumbnail and see it in context with all the other listings on that for that search. This is the gateway video, so you can look and compare yours against theirs and see how yours stands out, and that will help you to improve the click-through rate, because it says here to break the pattern. So if you've seen a lot of videos the same, cover images the same, try and make yours a little bit different so it stands out. And then you save that metadata, and basically what you need to do now is you copy this to upload your video to YouTube. You copy this data and then come to your YouTube channel where you've added your new video and uploaded it, and you paste, if we can edit an old one, and you paste the details in the required areas, so your title and then the description and so on, and fill out your listing and then save. Now this MorningFame, there's two levels: the basic plan for $4.90 and the advanced plan for $12.90, but there is a catch in that it's by invitation only. You have to have an invitation. That's the invitation code from me to you, so if you enter that invitation code, you can get the first month totally free. You don't have to put any credit card or payment details in. You can just use it for a month, see how it goes, see if you can grow your channel in that first month, and if you like it, then you can sign up and pay. It's brilliant. So there you go. I hope that's helped you, and get making some of those videos. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.